Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate Zoom to your AEvent account. Before we start, please make sure you have your Zoom email address and password handy. Let's log in to AEvent and go to Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Simply look for Zoom by typing it in the search box. From here, you can see the timeline actions you can create with Zoom. For the purposes of this video, let's click Add Integration. Type in your preferred name. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. I'm typing Zoom 1 for this integration. Once you're satisfied, click on Connect. Now it will ask for your email address and password. Once you have these entered, click Sign In. We have successfully integrated Zoom with AEvent. Let's go back to the list of integrations and look for Zoom. Click on Test. We have successfully established connection between Zoom and AEvent. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.